I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make long-lasting henna paste. To start, gather your core ingredients. You'll need about 20 grams of fresh, finely sifted henna powder. Next, prepare 60 milliliters of an acidic liquid like lemon juice, which helps release the dye. Finally, add 5 to 10 milliliters of a skin-safe essential oil, such as lavender or tea tree, to enhance the stain's depth and longevity. These foundational elements are crucial for a vibrant, enduring design. Once your ingredients are ready, it's time to mix. Slowly pour the acidic liquid into your henna powder, stirring continuously. Aim for a smooth, lump-free consistency, similar to thick yogurt or mashed potatoes. This texture is vital for easy application and optimal dye release. After mixing, cover the bowl tightly with plastic wrap, pressing it directly onto the paste surface to prevent a skin from forming. This step prepares the paste for its crucial dye release phase. The dye release process is essential for a rich, dark stain. Allow your covered henna paste to rest at room temperature, typically for 6 to 24 hours. Warmer environments might shorten this time. You'll know it's ready when you see a thin, dark layer of liquid on the surface, or when you can pull a string of paste and it forms a small peak. Gently stir the paste to reincorporate the dye, adding a few extra drops of liquid if it feels too thick. This ensures a smooth flow for application. To maximize your henna's lifespan, proper storage is key. Once the dye has released, transfer your paste into applicator cones or bottles. Any unused paste can be frozen for up to 6 months. Simply thaw it at room temperature before your next use. For application, ensure your skin is clean and free of lotions or oils. After applying, keep the paste on your skin for at least 6 to 8 hours or even longer to achieve the darkest, most enduring stain. Proper aftercare truly makes a difference.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.